everybody, it is Sunday. A lot has happened this week, hasn't it? Yeah, which I'm sure we will discuss in a little moment, but welcome. Thank you for clicking on the video and checking us out. I hope all is okay. I hope you're all doing wonderfully. Another week has passed, and that means another week me trialing out this new MuscleFoods Live Clean program, which this video is sponsored by them. If you do not know already and you are joining us for the very first time, we have joined forces with them as part of their Live Clean program to basically get us back on track with our nutrition, because you know, lockdown has been an interesting one in regards of, you know, how many times that I'm opening the fridge right now. MuscleFood have come up with a genius plan of getting you back on track for your nutrition during this lockdown. If you want to take part in this Live Clean program, it's very simple really. Click the link down below, select what calorie intake that you are wanting for the week, and select what food you actually want. You eat 3 meals and 3 snacks a day, and I tell you, some of those foods are quite large portions, as we've seen in the previous weeks. I will leave the links of the last 2 weeks and all the other videos as well, of all of our other MuscleFood videos as well, so you can kind of get an idea and a glimpse of all the foods that we have tried, because pretty much tried them all really, and they're pretty immense. The foods are all super easy. They are freshly prepared as well and sent to you on a weekly basis. There's no subscription or anything like that, so you can just join it for a week, see how you feel, how you're getting on, and yeah, you can cancel at any time. If you want to join in and be part of the Live Clean scheme, we have got a cheeky discount code for you, which is Krispy10, and that will give you £10 off your first order. So give it a go, give it a whirl. I'm going to show you all the stuff that I've got for this week, and yeah, show you what I'm eating. So let's stop all the waffling and let's just get on with it. My food package has arrived. Let's go and sort all of this all out, and we can have a little gander of what I got. Please excuse my dishwasher in the background. But for breakfast, I've got 2 of these breakfast bagels, and I tell you, they are quite delish. One tip to do is to toast the bread, so toast the bagels, and the filling, just stick that on a plate in a microwave. Yeah, it's actually alright. I like that, and I love this guy as well. You all know that I love a sausage and bean pot, so I've got 2 of those as well, and I've just got some porridge oats as well, which is some original ones. So for my morning snacks, I've got my Bagels. Wait, they are probably my favourites. I love these so much. They're so yummy and gooey. Microwave them as well. Even better. And I've got 2 Hype bars, 1 salted caramel and 1 cookies and cream. Okay, for my lunch, I've got sweet chili chicken, I've got a fajita bowl chicken, I've got a Thai curry chicken, and a black bean chicken. And I've also got another meal, which unfortunately had a little casualty. Come. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but he escaped, leaked. Luckily, the way that everything's all packed, nothing else was really damaged. I mean, I think the chicken fajita box is a little bit grubby because they were together, but everything else seems to be a-okay. I have messaged them. There is a silver lining to this because I'm reviewing it, and we've had a little disaster, and I've contacted them and they're rectifying it straight away. So it's all good. But yes, it is a Persian lime chicken ready to cook. Out of all the times I've ordered with MuscleFood, this is the first time that we've had a little casualty. So yeah, we'll get that sorted out. On to my afternoon snacks. So I've got 2 zippers, barbecue zippers. These are really good. Yeah, they're like a barbecue, sort of like crunchy crisp. They're really good. Like them. They're very good for snacking, you know, for when you go to the cinema. When it opens, obviously, because of current conditions. I've also got a Moroccan meatball snack pot as well. They're really good in protein. And I've also got, as well, for a snack, soup for snacks. Yes, indeed. I've got a minestrone and smoked bacon, and a Thai chicken and coconut soup as well for a snack. Okay, for my tea, I've got buffalo chicken pizza. I've got a chicken fajita pizza. I've got the steak and cheese stuffed sweet potato again. I might actually change this up this time because last week I did the stuffed peppers. I might actually just slice this up for chips, and I'll have steak and chips. Another one that I've never tried before, which is the cheesy stuffed chicken tray bake as well. I'm excited to try this one, and another one as well that I've never tried, which is the Dragon Fire chicken skewers with sweet potato fries. I'm kind of tempted to try this out on the barbecue. That would be kind of cool. And my evening snacks are another packet of zippers. I've got my 2 cheese snacks, which if you're a fan of like Parmesan, I can't quite describe it. They are actually just cheese rounds, little cheese rounds, really crispy rounds as well. So they've been like kind of like cooked, and they taste like grilled cheese. So yeah, they're just wonderful. So I've got one original one and one a pizza flavour. I've also got the Pro2Go protein bakes, which is salt and balsamic vinegar flavour, and a grenade bar as well, which is the salty caramel one. I'm so happy that they've started putting in grenade bars and the Bear Bells bars in with the plan as well, because we all know how much these are. So there you have it. That's my food for this week. Very excited. Just excited to eat you. I really am. And you. And maybe this one. And my steak night. In fact, just all of it. Oh my god, we're in! Right, what is it that I needed something and I can't remember what I needed. I don't know! Oh, that's cool. What's it got in the back?
You ready for it?
Ready? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. I quite like graphics on the back.
I do too.
It's quite nice.
1928.
Love it. Oh, got NASA.
That's the sausage logo.
It's the worm.
That's the worm.
That's the worm.
And the circle one is
the meatball. Sorry. Ooh, £3 for some gym stuff. Oh, hello. Oh, I like that. The Stitch one.
Stitch.
And it's Stitch. And you got Piglet over there as well. Family means no one gets left behind.
That's actually quite.
Can we find it? Oh, Disney. Hello. Look at these water bottles. They're cute. I'm liking the Jungle Book range. Yeah. Like the cushion. Look at the water bottle as well.
Those are nice.
That's really cool. Quite like this jumper. I go with the flow. Kind of do.
That's like awesome.
If you ever hang out with us, we just kind of go with the flow. Right. Actually can't find everything that we want right now. No. So I'll wait for a minute. Off go. Thank you. It's a good job that we went in there.
It's
getting big. Update on the food situation in regards to the Persian lime chicken. Had a delivery today. This is what it's meant to look like. I've got my Persian lime chicken all here, and I also mentioned about the fajita pizza as well being a little bit stained. I wasn't too fussed about it. Like the product inside is absolutely fine. They've got us another chicken fajita, and they've given me some snacks as well. They've given me quite a few snacks as well. That was really kind of you. Thank you so much. This is the first that it's ever happened to me before, but I've had other things where if something's not arrived, it's not in my box and stuff, and they will quickly rectify that and send whatever's missing and stuff like that. So I can highly approve. So thank you, Musclefood.
Why you're called KrispySmore?
Well, we were coming up with a name, obviously, and we just didn't want to be a Steph and Dave name channel, and I just said to Dave one time, out of all the confectionery treats that you could pick down Main Street in that shop, what would you choose? And you decided.
I said chocolate covered Smore.
And then I decided a crispy treat, and then we just put the two together, and here we are.
There were a few times it said Smore crispy or chocolate treat, and we were like, that doesn't sound right.
Chocolate covered crispy. I was like, no.
And then we went KrispySmore, and went, that's not too bad actually.
That's not too bad.
And then we stuck from there onwards.
Right, it's Friday night. Tonight is steak night. Steak night. Even though Dave's got pizza tonight.
Pizza!
Yeah, you got pizza tonight. Like what I said previously, I'm going to change things up a bit and have steak and chips instead of stuffed potatoes. Because it is good, but I'm craving chips. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. Shall I have big chunky fries?
Wedges, or do you want French fries?
I want steak cut.
Going for steak cod fries.
There we go.
In the oven.
Goodbye. Goodbye, my lover. Bye, my friend. So I've got my little tomato. I'm going to grill the tomato. Yeah. I do have a pepper and some ricotta and a spring onion, which I'm going to come up with something on my day off as well. I've got some chickpeas as well, a tin of chickpeas, so I might do roasted pepper and hummus. That would be really good. The ricotta normally isn't in the pack. It's normally cream cheese, you know, Philadelphia. You know, because of the recent events, a few things have not been in supply, obviously. So ricotta is a really good next best thing, to be honest. And it's kind of nice that if they can't get hold of an ingredient, they will find the substitution or the right thing for it. And yeah, love a bit of ricotta. It's all good.
Get your tomatoes in.
Yeah.
Roast your tomatoes.
Okay, Dave.
What's that?
Top tips of making the perfect steak. Go.
Pan needs to be really, really hot, first thing. Well, it depends on how you want your steak. How do you have yours?
I like mine rare.
You like yours rare?
Yeah.
So you don't really need to cook yours for long on each side. And also, one important thing when cooking steak, always make sure you rest the meat, because then the juices come out and it makes the meat more tender. So when you've cooked it, let it rest first. Don't instantly eat it. Give it some time to rest, like 5-10 minutes. I know that sounds a bit crazy, but it's worth it in the end. And
there was another thing as well, that you like to put it in the oven, don't you?
Yeah, I like to. If you're ever doing steak, I always put it in the oven at like about 75 Celsius, and then you put it on in the oven for like about 30 minutes. Like, just leave it, and it kind of cooks the inside of the steak to, like, if you want it medium rare or rare. And then when you take it out of the pan, take it out of the oven, and then you put it straight onto the pan, and you just kind of like char it on each side, and it's perfectly cooked. Ooh. It's always good, isn't it, when we have it? Nice, good. Yeah. There we go. That is Chef Dave's tips of cooking the perfect steak. Ah, there we go. Ooh, very nice. Very nice there. A few moments later. We're going to let it rest now.
Yeah.
On a plate.
Oosh.
Leave it for a bit. And see all the juices come out.
Just leave it.
Leave it.
Steak and chips, like a pub lunch. Oosh. Got it. It's the most wonderful breakfast item ever. Along with the bean pot. But it's the greatest thing. One thing, however, this little thing, my advice, use your ketchup, use your own ketchup. But there we go. So I'm going to go and toast this bagel and then microwave the insides, and it'll be a luscious, luscious breakfast bagel. Here we go. This goes in the microwave. There we go. Put this on here. Oh, breakfast bagel. There's something about having a cup of tea with a Bear Bells protein bar while editing. Life. It's great. So yummy.
So right now at the moment, I'm going to help Steph prep her Dragonfire chicken skewers with sweet potato fries. We've got our chicken breast here, got the skewers here, and we're going to barbecue them outside. So yeah, let's get prepping. Right, so we've got the sweet potatoes, we've cut them into French fries, and we're going to stick them in the air fryer for around 20 minutes until they're cooked, and then I'm going to start doing the chicken skewers. Right, so I've cut all the veggies up, peppers, red onions, and courgettes into like sort of 2 centimetre type of 2 to 3 centimetre wide or thick, and I cut the chicken, and then I've marinated it in the Dragonfire seasoning, and so I've got these skewers. I'm going to start placing these all together. A bit of an update: these skewers aren't the most strongest. So the mayonnaise is in there with, I've got half a lime, squeeze that in there. I had to add a bit of extra mayonnaise that we had because they only gave us 2 sachets, sorry, and it just wasn't enough, so I've had a little bit extra. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, mayonnaise is all ready. I have so many chips. But ta-da! Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. And Dave's made my mayo as well for me. Very nice. I'm going to go and enjoy this. I've just had a FaceTime with my dad as well, because today is Father's Day, and yeah, wishing everybody a happy Father's Day wherever you are. And I know it's really hard this time, and all you want to do is just hug. I just want a big hug from my dad right now, and I can't. Things will get better, and I can't wait to actually see my parents again. And hopefully it's going to be very, very soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed. You know,
the lockdown eases even more, that'll be great. So there we go, I'm going to wrap this up for today. Thank you very much for checking out the video. If you are interested on doing the Live Clean program, I'll leave, like I say before, I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and make sure to use the code Krispy10 as well. That will give you £10 off your first order. Can't go wrong, it's all good. In the meantime guys, I hope that you're all well, staying safe, and we will see you on Thursday, because Dave's got another video out for you guys, which you enjoyed last week. Thank you very much for checking that out. And yeah, I will see you all on the next Sunday for the final Muscle Food weekly vlog. Take care guys, bye!